me as well, yeah.
Ooh. Okay. We have a few things to go through today. Mostly it will be about the workshops that we're running.
Hey everyone, I'm Gabby. I'm the lucky person who gets to work with these two wonderful people.
Stella and I had the first conversation about this project.
It's really important to join consultations, to be a part of your community, meet other like-minded people who are passionate about the same ideas as you, and to feel a sense of pride in what our state is doing for young people and know that you've made an impact on what they're doing.
I think any option to give someone or any group a chance to state their opinions and state their mind is a good thing.
I think the Youth Action Plan sessions are a great opportunity because they give youth a chance to share their opinions on important issues and ideas regarding the state.
It's really important to get involved and have your say and be able to express your opinions freely in a way that they'll be heard and potentially actions taken upon those.
I think these activities and forums will give people a chance to vocalize what they want. So actually hearing it from the community tends to have a greater impact than one person passing on a message. And I feel like all these activities are going to give a lot of members of the community options to come down and voice what they want.
All right. This one I will need to stand for.
I think young Australians should go to Building Your Tomorrow because it's really empowering them to share their opinions on all sorts of things regarding the state. It gives them a voice that they previously haven't had and really takes their ideas into account when developing a new action plan for young people.